In a minute, you will learn how to organize your cards by using tags. Let's get started. All cards have a front side and a back side. The front includes insight into the operation, and the back side is used for configuration. By using tags, you can customize how you sort cards in your operation. For example, in this operation, let's look at our climate sensor card. By clicking on one of the existing tags, such as the word lights, we sort all cards that have been tagged with the word lights. This includes all device and program cards. To add a tag to any one card, flip the card to the back side. Scroll down to the word tags and type in a tag name that makes sense for your operation. For example, let's add the word training for a couple of cards and ensure you save these changes. To sort for these cards, click on the tag icon located on the top menu. Look for one of the cards with the word training and click on the word. The Microclimates user interface will sort cards associated with the word training. To remove a tag, simply flip the card over, remove the tag, and click Save. To view all cards, click on the tag icon located on the top menu bar and click on any card with the word All. You are now ready to use tags. Thanks for watching, and please reach out to us with any questions at support@microclimates.com.